वेलकम स्टुडंट. लना हाऊसिंग माध्यमिक आणि उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय जामखेड यांच्या ऑनलाईन ब्लॉगमध्ये आपल्या सर्वांचं स्वागत आहे. आज मी तुम्हाला इयत्ता 9वी इंग्लिश या पाठ्यक्रमातील युनिट 1 मधील पोयम शिकवणार आहे. या कवितेचं नाव आहे वॉक अ लिटल स्लोवर. वॉक अ लिटल slower. Textbook page number 3. Dear student, this is a poem by an unknown poet. In this poem, a child is talking its father. A little child is talking its father, and the importance of the father as a role model is the central idea of the poem. The importance of the father as a role model is the central idea of the poem. Throughout the poem, walk a little slower is used as a metaphor for the journey life. Now, see the extract number 1, page number 3. In this poem, in the first stanza, walk a little slower, daddy. Walk a little slower, daddy, said a little child so small. Said a little child so small. I am following in your footsteps. I am following in your footsteps. And I don't want to fall. And I don't want to fall. In these 4 lines, the little child requests its father to walk a little slower. The little child requests to his father to walk a little slower. That is, the child wants to understand the actions of its father. The child wants to understand the actions of its father, so he requests his father to walk a little slower. The child adds that it is following in its father's footsteps. Means here a child requests his father and adds that the child is following the father's footsteps, and the child don't want to fall. The child don't want to fall, so he requests his father walk a little slower. Walk a little slower. That is, he does not want to be a failure in life. The child does not want to be failure in life, so he requests his father walk a little slower. Hence, the request to slow down. Hence the request to slow down. The next four lines. Sometimes your steps are very fast. The little child says to his father, sometimes your steps are very fast. Sometimes they are hard to see. Sometimes they are hard to see. So, walk a little slower, Daddy. So, walk a little slower, Daddy. For you are leading me. For you are leading me. In the next four lines, the little child tells its dad that sometimes his father's steps are very fast. Hard means very fast to see. And so the child requests father, walk a little slower. I want to follow your steps. That is, the child at times finds it difficult to understand the actions of its fathers. When he requests to his father, walk a little slower, he finds that difficult to understand the steps of father. So he requests to his father, walk a little slower, Daddy. Walk a little slower, Daddy. In the next four lines, the child also tell his father he wants to follow him, to be more considerate to his needs, and according to the child, it is important because the father is leading him. And according to child, it is important to the father is leading him. And so the little child want to follow the father's footsteps, and so the little child requests his father, walk a little slower, walk a little slower. Dear students, now we learn the first extract of the poem, Walk a Little Slower. We discuss the request of child, how the child requests to his father. Now, here are some questions on the poem. These are the simple factual questions. Read the following extract and do the activities. The first activity is put the words given in brackets in the proper blanks. Means fill in the blanks. The first, the dash 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 is talking to its dash dash dash. Into bracket, father, child. The second activity, the dash 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 is leading and the dash dash is following. Into bracket, father, child. The second question, what would happen if the child tried to walk fast? Why? The next question, A3. Find and write the pairs of rhyming words from the stanza. Find and write the pairs of rhyming words from the stanza. Now, I notice to all you to complete homework in your English notebook with day and date.